In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI Copilot agent to take meeting minute notes across your entire company. The goal here is to create a simple, reliable workflow that automatically captures meetings, turns them into useful notes, and shares those notes with the right people. This can save a huge amount of time across your organization and help make sure important decisions and action items never get lost. To begin, choose a central automation platform like Make or Zapier. This platform will act as the hub that connects the different parts of your system, including your calendar tools and your video conferencing software. Picking one central automation tool makes the whole process easier to manage and update later. Next, set up a trigger inside that automation platform so the workflow starts whenever any employee schedules or begins a meeting on their calendar. This is the event that tells your system when to take action. A well-configured trigger is important because it ensures the workflow runs automatically without anyone having to remember to start it manually. After that, integrate a transcription service or meeting bot that can automatically join company meetings and record the audio in real time. This step is what allows the system to capture the conversation as it happens. Make sure the service you choose works well with your conferencing platform and supports accurate transcription, since the quality of the final notes depends heavily on the transcript. Once the transcript is available, connect that output to a large language model API, such as OpenAI. Use a clear, specific prompt that instructs the model to extract the most important parts of the meeting, including key decisions, action items, and a concise summary. The better your prompt is, the more consistent and useful your meeting notes will be. From there, configure the system to automatically format the meeting minutes into a clean, readable document. This makes the final output easier for participants to scan and refer back to later. Keeping the structure consistent also helps teams quickly find what matters most. Next, set up an action that sends the finalized notes directly to meeting participants through email or posts them in a designated company messaging channel. This ensures the notes are delivered quickly and are easy for everyone to access after the meeting ends. Before launching this across the entire company, test the workflow with a small team first. This gives you a chance to check whether the notes are accurate, whether the formatting looks right, and whether privacy settings are properly secured. Once everything is working smoothly, you can confidently roll it out company-wide. That's how to automate meeting notes across your organization using an AI Copilot agent. Thank you for watching, and be sure